Hi there, hi, good morning everyone. This is Liz Davis. I am a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their painful digestion, heartburn, reflux, bloating, IBS symptoms, any kind of related hormone issues, chronic fatigue and so on. And I do this with state-of-the-art gut testing, usually hormone testing, and dietary and lifestyle upgrades to bring things back into balance again and get you feeling back to how you should be. So today I was just going to do a quick rundown about the difference between postbiotics, prebiotics, probiotics. It's all a bit confusing, so which are the best ones for you to take and how to get more into your diet, etc. So basically it all comes down to your microbiome and keeping your microbiome healthy. So you have to make sure that you've got a decent level of friendly bacteria to keep your systems ticking over nicely. So not only your digestive systems, so your digestion, your absorption, but also your immunity and your mood, etc. all comes down to what's going on in your microbiome. So basically, if you take a probiotic, those contain the microorganisms that should be flourishing in your large intestine. So you want to take, you can take a nice kind of supplement to help you with that, or you can make sure you're getting plenty of probiotic foods into your diet as well. So you could be focusing on getting plenty of foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, for example. Those are examples of probiotic foods, and probiotic supplements such as lactobacillus, etc. are readily available in health food shops. There's also prebiotics. So prebiotics are fibre. So they are certain fibres that don't get digested in your small intestine. They go through to your large intestine and they feed your probiotics, so your friendly bacteria, your microbiome, and they keep it nice and healthy and ticking over properly. So postbiotics are what happens when your probiotics eat your prebiotics. So you can end up with lots of compounds being produced at that point, which are really helpful for keeping your gut healthy. So someone's saying, can you take with medication? Yes, you can take all these with medication. If you have something that is stopping you from taking pre and probiotics, you can go straight in and go for your postbiotics, which are usually something like that. They're not marketed as postbiotics, they're not called that. They're normally called things like this one, sodium butyrate. And that is what's produced when your probiotics eat your prebiotics. And you need those compounds as well to keep your gut health ticking over nicely, keep your gut lining nice and strong, for example. So if you're someone who can't take prebiotics, probiotics, for example, you may not be able to take those because you might have SIBO or something, and it's causing, and you're taking anything like that, it's causing your gut to bloat or what have you, then you can go straight to the postbiotic and take those, which you may find quite helpful. So yes, but other than that, you can get a plentiful supply of postbiotics by making sure your diet is full of prebiotic fibre. So for example, chicory is a good one, leeks, garlic, onions and so on are really useful for making sure that your probiotic bacteria are nicely fed. If you want to supplement, you can either take probiotics, prebiotics, or postbiotics, or all three. That can be quite helpful because the prebiotics going to help your probiotics to kind of be even more effective there. So other than that, diet wise, you can use leeks, onions and so on, and plentiful kefirs, yogurts, kimchis, etc. can keep things ticking over nicely. As I say, if you've got something like SIBO, that is going to cause you to bloat a bit more if you start adding more bacteria or prebiotics into the picture. So that's something to bear in mind. So if you do suspect you've got SIBO, or you're finding you're taking these things and it's making things worse, then absolutely do get in touch. We can get you tested and find out what's actually going on in there. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. That's a quick rundown: probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, what they're for. And if you did find that useful, do like and share, and I shall see you next time. Okay, bye.